Me say my people the other day when me I come from Jamaica, I care up every little thing. I care about spice bun, my milo, my banana chips, my peanut them, my rum stripe. And me don't know if you never drink your rum stripe. Me love the cranberry one too, you know. And me care up my castor oil because the castor oil up at farrin a folly tea foolishness. And yes, me couldn't forget my cassava flour. See there, you remember when you see me a great my cassava flowers on the back? Yes. And then me turmeric and me ginger and me browning. And then of course me carry the little Maggi seasoning them for when me a season up my chicken and all kind of like a meat, me oxtail or curry goat, me can put like a Maggi seasoning pan it for get like a flavor. Yes. When you go Jamaica, man, you have to keep up them like a same thing and not to mention me tasty cheese. You start come out who can afford that. And then me last go nutmeg. Yes, man. I love the last one nutmeg with the one with the nutmeg in the taste size. And then look there, my red peas and me gungo. For when me cooking me rice and gungo. My rice and peas. You know, say a different taste when a Jamaican things, you know. And then look at the sugar cane. Yes, man. I took care of this because the cane them are farrin. Shrivel up. When you eat them, no juice come out of it. It's like all that juice squeeze out by the time you reach a farrin. Yes, see there? 3 bag of cane fi go devour you now. Lord, I don't even know how to start. Actually, when me done clean snow, me we can eat cane. Yes, make I tell you something. And then see there, me mountain peak, me blue mountain back like coffee and look on my breadfruit. Yes, me go freeze that now. And I go taste the same still, but when me fry it over, yes, you have to take your hand make fashion. Yes, you have to take what you can get till better come when you go back to Jamaica and we get the real thing off of this fire. And look at my jackfruit, yes, my peel some put on plastic bag and me orange, see them, me sibble orange and them I cool, yeah, my son him like the I cool even though they sweet like a one. And look at my carrot, yes, my nice organic carrot, for go make carrot juice, whoa, big things turn up over here. And then look then all my people, my lettuce. I won't ever see them in lettuce here. Last time I came up all after a month, they still looking fresh. That's why me I wonder where we are now foreign cause lettuce no last long and look there, me pack chow. Yes, man, me pack chow. My people, when you go Jamaica, you have to full up back your suitcase and come and left all like clothes down there. Hey!